Wednesday morning, 11 o'clock, and just arrived at Gym Mojo. So you'll see this place, it's on Soi 94 in Hua Hin. You just follow Soi 94 up, you've got next door there's a boxing stadium, and where they do Thai kickboxing, Muay Thai, and then next to that there's this place, which is the gym I prefer. It's open air gym. You're not spoilt with aircon and all the rest of the nonsense. And yeah, it's got a friendly vibe, very cheap. You can pay per day, or they do monthly deals, yearly deals, etc. I pay daily because I'm never too sure when I'm going to turn up, etc. But we'll check out the prices, have a look at the equipment, and you can make your mind up if you want to come and join. And yeah, hopefully see you here. Okay, I'll take you and show you some of the prices. So for day price, you've got 120 baht. Weekly 390, 2 weeks 690, 3 weeks 790, 1 month 890, and then goes up to a year for just 8,200 baht. While you're here, you can also get healthy drinks. They do protein drinks, milk, almond, coconut milk, etc. And there's a list of healthy ingredients that go into your drink. Also, you've got a wide selection of different drinks, other drinks apart from protein drinks: water, Gatorade, Pocari Sweat, sponsor drinks. Plus you can get fresh coconuts, which are chilled, large bottles of water, small bottles of water, etc. Lockers to store your equipment, and for the likes of me, a set of scales so I can monitor how much weight I've lost. Oh, and let's not forget that there is my advert for the football. So if you want to play football, scan the WhatsApp code and come along and play football with us. You got a wide range of treadmills, cycle machines, crossfits, rowing machines, etc. So plenty of things to use, keep you fit. Lots of various weight machines to work on each different muscle group. You never have to wait for anything. There's no one here hogging the weight. So if you fancy doing some reps and routines, then you're always going to find a machine that suits your needs. So this is one of the reasons why I like coming here. So you've got these weight machines, and also there's a stack of bench press machines, more static weights, everything you could possibly think of. Morning, Saudi Cup. You also got toilets and changing facilities. The men's toilets, clean and tidy. Wash basin, for those of you that want to see. Just checking. So the shower room, everything's clean, tidy. They do provide you with some soap, etc. But if you want to bring your own, if you have a specific soap, then by all means do. You have the ice bath, which I think, I'm not sure if it's still running, but we'll find that one out and let you know. but you have a shower here, and then if you want an ice bath, they will rig up ice bath. I think it's extra price, about 170 baht maybe for an ice bath. Outside you got weights, benches, so you can work on any and every muscle, as well as ropes, little seating area if you want to sit down and have a break, mirrors if you want to work on your look as well. So yeah, I would recommend anyone who's looking for a gym to join in Hua Hin, come along to Gym Mojo, and very friendly bunch. Come and see Lynn at the desk. She's here in the mornings. I'm not sure the lady's name in the afternoon, but I will find out, let you know. And I say, across the road also is the Petch, I think it's called Petch Muay Thai gym. But so you can do a bit of both, a bit of Muay Thai, a bit of working out, a bit of gym work, and go from there. Right, I'm going to get organised, get changed, get some workout done myself, otherwise I'll just be forever talking. So see you when I'm ready to work out. Right, 12:47. So I think I've done maybe nearly 2 hours the gym. Everyone's sort of disappeared now. It gets quiet here around lunchtime. So I think there's myself and one lady here at the moment on the treadmill. So we're going to call it a day, use the facilities, the showers, etc. And then lunchtime. So let's go and grab some nice lunch somewhere while we can. So thanks for joining. Come and join Gym Mojo Gym, Soy 94, near Petch Gym Muay Thai Boxing Stadium. You can always have a crack at Muay Thai if you want to go and be a punch bag. I say come here, 120 baht. If you want to stay here all day, totally up to you, but I find 2 hours is more than enough. So yeah, show your face, and the ladies on reception will sort you out and point you in the right direction. So thanks for joining. Until next one, see you later.